What's up? What's up? You are back to IT. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Post a comment in that box below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Today I'm gonna just simply tell you the honest truth. We're gonna talk about the truth about data science, just so that you get some kind of idea what you are getting involved in. The first thing I'm gonna say is it's highly competitive, which makes it what? It makes it difficult to break into this industry because there are so many people just as excited and passionate about it as you. A lot of these people are passionate about it just because they're excited because of the amount of attention data science has obtained over the past few years. And not even just so much of it as it being a passion of theirs. They're just more excited about, oh, it's this new adventurous thing that everybody's getting involved in. So you got all of those people mixed in with the people who have been passionate about data for many, many, many years. It's highly, highly competitive. That's one of the main things I will definitely say to you. So if you're trying to get into data science, I'm gonna always tell you, you need to always try to get referrals from people, create really good portfolios. So the standard way of just sending your resume online and waiting for somebody to contact you is not going to get you a job today. So that's one thing I wanted to mention to you. The other thing I want to mention to you is the skills required for these jobs, because data is such a problem, but can ultimately be such a benefit. A lot of these companies are requiring you to have a ton of skills, right? So they're requiring you to have a lot of skills, but if you're someone who hasn't obtained that first job, how are you constantly in the practice of using these skills? So if they want you to know 5 or 6 different software programs, you have to really practice these on a regular basis, because if you don't use it, you will lose it. If you stop writing Python for a month or 2, you will get rusty. So you have to constantly keep yourself in practice and keep the skills up. This job market we're in right now, you have to have a lot of skills and you have to be able to maintain them, which is difficult. The difficult part is maintaining those skills when you don't currently work a job in which you utilize those skills. So that's another thing I wanted to just bring to your attention. This is just an honest conversation that we're having here. I just wanted to be honest so that you know what to expect. A lot of people are just expecting this sexy, lovely experience. Yes, it's something new. And for me personally, I don't care about any of these things. I still love what I do, but I've always had a passion for data for many, many, many years. But the other thing that I would suggest, or I would mention to you, the recruiters don't always know how to recruit for technical jobs. So you have to convince a non-technical person that you're the right person for a technical job, and that's just the truth. It's not really taking shots at recruiters, because some recruiters do know their stuff. But you get a lot of recruiters that don't necessarily know what this job is and what it entails. So it's hard for them to really pick the right person. So the odds that are kind of against you a little bit, not to discourage you, because there are other ways that you can make this happen. And there are plenty of recruiters who really do a good job of picking the right person because they are experienced with recruiting for technical jobs. Those are just some challenges that you could face, but as with anything else, you'll always have challenges. So don't let these things that I mentioned discourage you if you are truly passionate about working in the data science industry. I just want to make sure that you're not in this fantasy world of, oh, I want to be a part of this new thing. You should really love what you do, even if you're doing it at home. You shouldn't only love to do this type of work at a job. You should love to do it at the house. That shows a real passion. There's a lot of work. Anytime you're working with tons of data, there is tons of work for that. So don't expect this to be some cute, pretty experience. Expect to be worked. Data is a mess at most companies. So they need some people who don't easily get stressed out, because there is tons to do with this data. there's a lot of work. There's a lot of work that needs to be done. So I'm just setting those expectations so that you don't just walk into a job thinking that you're going to kick your feet up and have this easy time. You're just going to go in there, kick your feet up and sit back in an office, and you won't have no one knocking on your door looking for data and statistics on the data, KPIs and metrics, various metrics for what you find in that data. You need to be able to be prepared to provide all of this stuff. And you need to be prepared to be the point of contact for all of these answers. So your door will constantly be knocked on. That's another thing. Just letting you know and just setting those realistic expectations, all right? Even though I said all of this, don't get discouraged if this is truly what you want to do. Out of all those things I discussed, I could care less about those things because I love what I do. And I'm good at what I do. So I just want to throw this out there to get your mind right. My videos will be posted Saturdays, 12 p.m., Sundays, 12 p.m. Excuse me, Saturdays, 12 p.m., Sundays, 12 p.m. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you know when I post my videos. All right, y'all, until next time, peace.